myself a lady, she know how to treat me. Down, down to Mexico City, got myself a lady to lay me down, lay me down. All my friends want you to know I'm gonna miss you when I go, but I'll see you down the road. Meet me at the station, way down low, way down low. Gone, gone from New York City, where you gonna go with a head that empty? Gone, gone from New York City, where you gonna go with a heart that gone? Where you gonna go with a heart that gone? Gone, gone from New York City, where you gonna go with a head that empty? Gone, gone from New York City, where you gonna go with a heart that gone? Where you gonna go with a heart that gone? Where you gonna go with a heart that gone?
What did you find, Gretchen?
Clearly a bird had a run-in with this tree. You want to be careful with low flight because I believe this is a cherry wood.
It's definitely a pine.
This is a hemlock. This is a hemlock. And Woody here did it on the tree.
Have you ever had such run-ins with wood?
Huh? I have had some run-ins with wood. These dots keep us on our path and keep us headed back toward, what are we driving now?
Taurus?
Back toward the Taurus, which as many of you know is the safest vehicle on the road, so you don't want to perish on the trail just trying to get to the safest vehicle on the road, am I right?
You're right. You can't outrun a bear! Bears run at 30 miles per hour. They can also climb trees. You can't outrun a bear.
Maybe read up ahead of time just to see what kinds of poop indicate what kind of animal you're coming up on. Because we very well could have come up on a bear not too long ago that shit like a woodpecker. There's trail restrooms. Gross.
Gretchen, what's that?
This is the sock that I thought was Jamie's sock, and I was trying to be a really nice friend, so I picked it up and was like, hey, you lost your sock. And then I really should lose your sock. And upon closer examination, someone had used it to wipe their ass. Luckily, I don't have much of a sense of smell. On my return trip to find the sock, I've noticed that the pile of shit is neatly just 1 foot in front of the shitty sock, which is just ever so slightly puckered in the center with a little clump of shit that had stuck to the person's ass. There's a really cute pine cone, but it's in the scene of the crime, so I can't get it. Probably gonna forfeit that stick to the cause.